Odiejimjim. Ebuka Odiejimjim. Ebuka Odiejimjim. How many times did I call you Ebuka Odiejimjim? Ebuka Odiejimjim, you were such a pathetic liar. Ebuka Odiejimjim, you were a criminal, no church. Ebuka Odiejimjim, you were a content creator. No pastor or prophet or prophetess or evangelist or evangelism, whatever rubbish that they are calling you. Ebuka Odiejimjim, you are such a full-blown liar. Your type is the reason why I stopped going to church for the past 9 years, because you people lie a lot. I am not dumb. Ebuka Odiejimjim, I am not a useless person. I am not dumb. I still have sense to think outside Christianity. Ebuka Odiejimjim, you lie too much. Ebuka Odiejimjim, you are a manipulator, and I don't care. I don't give a fuck of what people are going to say after I must have finished making this video. If you like, stop talking to me because of how I addressed your daddy G, who is a liar. I do not give a fuck. Share you understand? About your daddy G, because I will keep telling you the truth. Most of you Christians are gullible. Most of you Christians can listen to trash and not question it. Ebuka Odiejimjim, each and every watching on internet, I wonder. Ebuka Odiejimjim, each and every watching on internet, what do you think about your viewers? So there is this video of Ebuka Odiejimjim that I watched where he was saying that a particular family in America gave him $200,000. And as if he said, oh, that money was not enough. And that particular family again transferred him $300,000, making it $500,000 in a project that he has, a church project, a auditorium project that he has. And you as a gullible, stupid member in that church, you believe that trash. You believe that nonsense. You believe that trash that is coming out from the mouth of Ebuka Odiejimjim. Ebuka Odiejimjim, anybody in America that can give you $200,000. Your biblical God again, that person that will be able to transfer you $200,000 effortlessly and still add extra $300,000 effortlessly, making it $500,000 in total of what that particular one family gave to you. Ebuka Odiejimjim, you think like the type of miracle that family needs from you? Onye name patago $200,000. Onye patara $200,000. Get miracle feeling. Give my Ebuka Odiejimjim. Get miracle feeling. Your biblical God can do for that person. Onye na patala $200,000. Send the other a man of God na ko in Nigeria. Send the other give Ebuka Odiejimjim. Like onye patala $200,000 in America. What prophecy or miracle do such person need from a pastor like you? Now you said that they transferred $200,000 for you, and after some while they did another $300,000, making it a total of $500,000. Onye batara $500,000. Okay, send it to a pastor in Nigeria named Query. Tell me what pattern of miracle do such person want? If you can make $200,000 in America yearly, tell me. Nigerian pastors, prophecy in if you can make $500,000 to send to a Nigerian pastor, what other miracle are you looking for? What other prophecy are you looking for? What do you want that the earth have not done for you? $500,000. But I can send the other pastor. Like, make it make sense, Ebuka Odiejimjim. We know that you are lying. No family in America gave you any money. And if you feel like there is a family in America that gave you that total of $500,000, Ebuka Odiejimjim, mention the name of that person. Mention the family that gave you that money. Show us pictures of that family that was able to raise $500,000 to give you as a pastor in Nigeria. Mention the name of that person. Wallah, if I don't make 1,000 videos till EFCC, till FBI notice me, till Interpol notice me, on America. Chisom. Tell me the person in America that has $500,000 cash to transfer to you. Only $1,000. If you want transfer and come Nigeria, the kind of question whether they question you for bank. Most of the times your transfer app will even block. If you want to transfer a big money, most of the times your bank for America go block because they feel like, oh, maybe you are transferring to scammers. So tell us that person that transferred that money to you. Tell us that person that did that $200,000 transfer to your bank, and later transferred $300,000 to you, successfully in America. In America, he gave $500,000. He gave send the pastor. It's in America or It's in America or Nigeria. It's in America or Nigeria. Ebuka Odiejimjim, if it's short for you, show us the person that gave you that money. And I will make sure EFCC, FBI, Interpol will investigate to know what that person does for a living. Oji, at $500,000, okay, pastor. Ego le konya hu in account here na America. Ebuka Odiejimjim, show us the picture of the person that gave you that money. Voila, if me, Chisom, now make video till FBI noticed me and start investigating that person, America. Oji, pata $500,000. Okay, send again one Nigerian pastor. Chisom, you are such a pathetic liar. Just come out and tell us that your auditorium, your church is Zola. But to put up that lie that somebody gave you such huge amount of money and the person stays in America, brother man, it's a lie. This is 2026. We know how the banking system works in America. You cannot even transfer $5,000 without your bank questioning you. So now transfer my honor. In America, $500,000 to give to an illiterate pastor like you because you're not gonna Bible. You're not Bible. You are not a teaching pastor. You are not intelligent. Actually, the type of miracle in your hands, Meroji send the other $500,000. Actually, onye patamuru $500,000 is sent again. Actually, after sending the $500,000, say go like make. I want to know. I am fucking gullible. I am not gullible. I'm not talking the church. I don't fancy you. I will always tell you the truth. You a liar. You are such a pathetic liar. Just support and be truthful. Now from tithe and offering in them mother. The church. It's understandable. But for you to come and lie, no need any prophecy. A particular family in America have sent me $200,000, and $200,000 is around 230 million. It will not be enough, and that family still went ahead to send me $300,000 to complete the money. You a liar. You a liar. You a liar. You a full-blown liar. Onye $500,000. Or the only the miracle from Okoko Dekage. Or the no one ever get very walk. Only $500,000. $500,000. Or the no one he Vukuvaki get Maria only three. In what country get it to a Fashiga, Yawarunda America? American from paycheck to paycheck. What have you know what I am now? American from paycheck to paycheck. American Roma 4 jobs. America now channel Mama Taisi, how much 5 hours about more, 7 hours about about Taisi. American channel go from bank. We're now on Nigeria. Why now? Hija share. No one $500,000. That family in America, they sent you $200,000 and later sent you another $300,000, making it a total of $500,000. Ebuka Odiejimjim tell us that he realized such amount of money to start building your auditorium. See, the politicians will not talk about this. The EFCC might not investigate you about this because they all need you for campaign. They need the church for campaign. The church will ban account and if to charo it is at the benefit of the pastor, because when the pastor is a criminal, the governor or the government will not investigate the pastor because they have used the pastor's church for campaign. They have used the pastor to get what they want, to enter inside the office they want. That is why it is so hard for Nigerian government to look into pastors, because they never can tell the pastor they will use their church for campaign next year or next 2 years. We are not fucking gullible. We are not. You a liar. Nobody gave you $500,000 that is living in America. Mention the name of that person. Wallah. I swear. I will make 1 million videos till FBI notice me. Till FBI starts investigating that person that gave you that money. Till FBI comes out to investigate that person to know and how many years on a bill in America Oji say $500,000 to send to a pastor in Nigeria. They will question you. In America that is living on paycheck to paycheck, mortgage house have been with for 30 years and put a motor hamburger and put a bogware. Only America kids Irania she Ebuka Odiejimjim. Only America can I be Irania shit. Of all the country, in other country, but ya wouldn't America, neighbor they gonna bank, Nigeria now. Nda bina mortgage house na kucha bogware. Nda nyaga motor hana kucha bogware. Nda kehina kodranya hanya. We don't imagine I watch again. How many years today now? Maybe 30 years. Can I say now from this thing? You a pathetic liar. You are such a full-blown ass liar. Your type is the reason why I stopped going to church. And for you coming out to say, there is a person called Blessing CWO. She has a cancer. She has she has a this. She has Awashi. Why are you coming out to give the prophecy now after Blessing CWO don't come out concast himself? I mean Blessing CWO don't come out concast himself. You a liar. I'm Mogumaka had make damage control. I'm Mogumaka Blessing CWO make damage control. Yeah, you are coming out to give prophecy now, but you did not give prophecy when Blessing came out and bobbed her head. And I want to them mad in Nigeria with no church. Educa church, you know, make them mad of Vuguvaka. I seen a new one now, or Cassiqua, the Kubola before, or you have a prophecy in your Nerube Deo. Hey, I want to CWO. Oh, why are you seeing it now? Why didn't you see it when she came out for people to donate money for her? Why didn't you see it when she came out to bob her head? Is it now that the matter have cast? You want to come and give your prophecy? Even if Blessing is sick, Blessing have a lomo. A couple lomo, nana, not they pass 300,000 or 500,000. Blessing, never reach stage 1. Talk more of stage 2. Here Blessing game. Lum to do a lump operation, not they reach 500,000. A couple get lump, get lawaro work that same day. So why are you coming to give the prophecy now? Do you think we are fools? I don't know how these Nigerian pastors they feel say we be mumu people. Nigerian pastors, they feel in the Ebru battery, anye. Everybody battery on a church, the Ebru battery no on a brain. But we they never carry our battery. Here I come from the church and nonsense I query. I know me Zibo mother who always come out to tell you the truth. Ebuka Odiejimjim, you see this prophecy of blessing CWO, and they only give $500,000. They are all lies. Scrap it out. Remove all those stupid lies from your mouth. Grow, and leave a cloud chasing alone as a pastor. Grow. In a chamber every time. In a feeling woman who say we don't know anything. You are such a liar. You are a full-blown liar. Is blessing using you to do damage control? Can they blessing and everybody for Nigeria. Everybody they find blessing. Blessing got share this time around. Blessing, okay, share. So put a prophecy down. Your prophecy does not make sense. It is just yesterday king that prophecy or day before yesterday king that prophecy. So I don't want your members to be like, oh, my daddy G said it. My daddy G, your daddy G said it. Your daddy G said it. I don't mean nonsense. No. Oh my, $500,000. Why your uncle wait on the America for 20 years never send you ordinary 10,000? And you keep calling your uncle stingy, but oh my mind, Ganya pastor $500,000 in total. Imana pastor Ghana atwashi. Oto shi runu ike na Nigeria, ko shi kwara ndị na America ike na America. Sure you understand me? Nkucha ihe, I like your hate him, Obasam. I like your omash, Obasam. Like, I don't really send you. Oh, Chisom, you are always talking about our daddy Gio. That is why I will not patronize you. That is the mindset most of you have. I don't really care. I have sweet customers that do patronize me. I'm a mature customer. How do you? You understand? I also have a baby that will take care of me even if I don't even come out on the internet to talk. I do okay. Make you know if you say, why will I patronize this girl that is always talking about my daddy G? Your daddy G bad character na pare. Your daddy G won yoshi. Your daddy G na manipulate gi. Your daddy G mani erielegi ebrula batrege. Ona emezi vuguvaga. So when Chisom comes out to say it, you'll be like, I will not patronize her because I'm not married at the G. Your mother. If you like, don't know something in 2026.